We're going to the
No, you don't have a warrant. You don't have a warrant. You don't.
You're not on the... Hey, what happened?
I haven't been able to access a phone.
What's
and
that?
I would like to speak to another officer, and if you're powderly eliminated...
Right away, this situation starts raising eyebrows. The woman clearly has concerns about her ex-boyfriend, who reportedly has both a restraining order and an active warrant. But notice how quickly the conversation shifts from reporting a problem to demanding immediate results. Police can search for a suspect, but they can't magically make someone appear. The question is, are we witnessing genuine fear or expectations that are becoming increasingly unrealistic?
1183, I would like to speak to another person.
Okay. All right, well, another officer's on the way.
Not the same one that came last time.
Nope, different one.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So why do you want to talk to another officer? What's going on?
I just don't feel... Yes. I tried to use his phone.
Thank you.
I am
Okay.
I'm fine. But this person is not okay. And is clearly violating the restraining order. And there are 4 charges against him.
Okay, there's nothing that I can... Do you want me to make him teleport, like, in front of me? I can't...
No.
What do you want me to do?
Why would you say that?
Because we already told you that we have to find him, right?
No, I don't feel like... And this is the same officer as last time.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. I took
That's
his
not
number
Officer
down.
Sinisi.
No, the other one with the blue eyes.
Okay.
That came.
Well, you have us here, so what...
No, I need another officer.
I need you to help me understand what is going through your mind right now.
What's going through my mind is that Ishan Singh is violating a restraining order that has been filed in the state of New Jersey.
Okay.
He also has an arrest warrant out for him.
Okay. We've established that, so what
I
else?
understand that, but I was told by Jersey City Police myself, and they have a record of that, and if you could actually contact them in front of me, I would appreciate that.
Okay.
They have a full record of that. I know the detective that's on the case. This is a real case.
Okay, but what does that have to do with you standing in Mawa right now?
Of the restraining order. I don't know if I'm going to go. Maybe I'll go to Jersey City tonight. My dad lives there.
Okay. There's nothing saying that you can't do that.
And maybe my dad will come here to stay here to feel safer. Or maybe we'll leave Mawa because this is very unsafe.
Okay.
And we have several detectives.
Pay close attention here, because this is where the encounter takes a major turn. The officers are no longer focused solely on the alleged restraining order violation. Instead, they're becoming concerned about the caller's behavior itself. When someone repeatedly calls 911, appears distressed, and struggles to follow the conversation, officers may begin assessing whether a mental health crisis could be developing.
Several detectives from the NYPD on the case.
Okay.
NYPD or Jersey City?
Both.
Okay, I'm gonna. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna call a resource for you to talk to try to screen this. A screener.
I don't.
Not a cop that you don't have to. It's not gonna be a cop.
I have another phone here.
Okay. What is that?
I can find out who's coming here.
Okay.
I will call the police and see the badge number.
Yep.
Powderly 1183, Buono Core 1157. We saw that you guys were here. We have a
And now the tension reaches a boiling point. The officers are attempting to move her to a safer location, but she immediately interprets the situation as an unlawful arrest. Notice how often she repeats, "You don't have a warrant." Legally speaking, not every police action requires a warrant, especially when officers believe someone's safety or well-being may be at risk. This misunderstanding is about to escalate the encounter dramatically.
Here we have a ring camera.
Okay. Just so you know, everything's being
And
recorded.
That's being recorded too.
Yep. All right, just give me 1 second. We're gonna get someone on the phone. Hopefully that can get us all answers. Okay?
You want to come over?
No, I would like to.
No, you can't leave.
I
right
wouldn't
now.
like
Nope,
to.
you can't leave right now. You called 911. You asked for help. We're here to help you.
Okay, but can I just stand here?
No, we're in the middle of the road. Let's go over here.
Okay.
Here, let's stand over here.
Sure.
Do you follow F1?
I'm just wearing it. I wouldn't like to stand anywhere. What are you doing?
Hey, it's Officer Powder. Jesus fuck.
Don't have a warrant.
All right, let's involve.
Don't have a warrant. Help! Help!
Stop.
Help me, please.
Stop.
Help! Help!
We're going to the
No, you
hospital.
don't have a warrant. No, stop! Stop! Please help, sir! Help! Please! Sir, please!
take
No!
it.
Can I have my shoes,
Yes,
please?
we're gonna get your shoes.
No!
You're not under arrest.
What are you doing then?
We're gonna.
No! Please help me! Please!
Stop.
No!
Stop.
You don't have a warrant! You don't!
You're not
Let
under.
me go!
Oh my God.
Let me go! Let me go!
Handcuff her.
Let me go! No!
Brat.
No! No!
Stop.
No!
Jesus
Stop!
Christ.
Let's go! You don't have a warrant! You don't have a warrant! You don't have a warrant!
You're gonna hurt yourself.
You don't have a
Stop.
warrant!
Oh my God.
You don't have a warrant! I have
This may be the most emotional moment in the entire incident. She asks, "Why does no one believe me?" And that statement reveals the gap between the two sides. From her perspective, she's trying to report a serious threat. From the officer's perspective, her behavior has become the primary concern. It's a powerful reminder that two people can experience the same situation in completely different ways.
I have a tracker with me. Let's go right out.
You're not in any trouble.
No, you don't have a warrant! Please help! Please help! Please!
I'm gonna go to the other side.
Help!
Okay. Can you just get in the car?
Help!
Thank you.
Please help me.
Yes, I'll get your shoes. You're okay.
No, you don't have a warrant. Why are you arresting me?
You're not under arrest. We're
What
going
do you
to a
mean?
hospital.
Can you tell me what's going
We're
on?
going to a hospital.
No.
Stay in the car.
No,
Yes.
no.
We're gonna go to a
Why
hospital.
can I have another officer here, please? That is my right.
We'll get
That is my right.
We're gonna get
And my
another one.
parents know where I am, okay?
Yes.
They
Okay.
know where I am,
Okay.
okay?
Turnpike back.
What are you doing?
We're taking you to
don't have
a
a warrant.
hospital for a screening.
Hold on, East Ramp.
Which hospital?
Kirby Newbridge.
No.
Yes.
Can you contact my parents?
Yes.
Please do that right
You
now.
know their phone number?
Yes.
Okay.
Please contact my parents.
Are you gonna relax?
Yes, but please call my mom and dad and
I'm gonna put your shoes down on the ground. Put your feet here.
can you please call them in front of me, please?
Yes. Yes, we
Calling
can.
961.
Why does no one believe me? We have this.
All you have to do is get out of the road.
But I didn't understand what was going on. Why'd you handcuff me?
We were trying to get you screened,
Parking lot.
and you're trying to fight us in the middle of the parking lot.
But why do it? Take these off.
No.
No.
But why?
You're trying to run away.
Knee me in the groin. You're lucky you're not being charged.
No, because why'd you grab me like that? That freaks me out. Can you
We
please call
told
my
you that you
parents?
had to get out of the road.
Please call my
okay?
parents.
We're gonna go down to the hospital, and then we're
No.
gonna call your parents.
No,
At
call-
this point, the officers begin gathering information from her father, and the bigger picture starts to emerge. Situations involving mental health are often some of the most challenging calls officers respond to. They must balance individual rights, public safety, and the possibility that a person may not fully understand what's happening around them. That's a difficult line to walk.
No, call my parents now. Please, I need to speak to them. I'll tell them where I'm going.
Do you want to talk to your parents?
Yes.
Okay. Can you sit in the car
No.
and we'll talk to them?
No.
The only way I'm gonna call your parents right now is if you sit down in
Can
the
I
car.
stand? I'm not moving.
Who is that? Your mom or your dad?
Dad, I'll talk to him.
I'm gonna.
I
talk
want to
him
speak to him.
first.
No, no,
You
no.
will.
Dad, please.
You will
No,
talk.
don't do this. I need to speak to him.
Keep your jacket on.
Hi. Is this Mary's father?
Oh my God.
Hello. How are you, sir?
Dad,
Good, I'm
come
Officer-
tomorrow.
I'm Officer
Dad,
Brat
come
with the-
tomorrow.
Okay.
They took me. They don't have a warrant. It is County 1183.
So-
They handcuffed me for no reason. Where are they taking me?
All right, hold on, sir. Step in the car. All right, so she called us about, I guess, her ex-boyfriend. There's a restraining order. I don't know if you're familiar with it. Yeah. So she called 911 because she was concerned about it. So we went there and talked with her, and she seemed a little disoriented, like she didn't really know what was going on. But we ended that and we left the house, and she wound up coming to another store down the street and called 911 again. So she seems kind of like she doesn't really know what's happening here. We were trying to figure out her baseline, like mentally where she's at.
My first name? Matt. I'll lower the window so I can talk to you.
No, so we're at a gas station right now. Has she not had her medication? We're at the Citgo, but I think we're going to be taking a ride down to the hospital for a mental health screening.
No, you dropped it. I'll give it back to you when we get there. I'm gonna give it back to you.
to, I'm sorry, what's that?
Englewood University Hospital.
So we have to go to Bergen Regional Medical Center for a mental health screening.
No, because she have all the records in her.
No, I understand that. So 262 runs out of both hospitals, the help center, but per policy we have to go to Bergen Regional. Yeah, absolutely. Hey Mary, here's your dad. Your dad. Okay.
No, wait, but Dad, you're gonna be driving there now, right? And which car are you using to drive there? And you realize that I don't have like I don't have anything, like I don't.
So how did this all end? What began as a complaint about an ex-boyfriend eventually resulted in charges against the caller herself. Cases like this show how quickly a routine police response can spiral into something far more complicated. They also raise important questions about emergency service misuse, mental health intervention, and how misunderstandings can completely change the course of an encounter.
I don't have like paperwork, anything. I'm just myself. Can we? No, Dad, please. This has to be verified somehow. Like, they just handcuffed me for no reason. Is Mom on the way to, what's the name of the facility?
Bergen Regional Medical Center. I told him.
Are you coming?
I'm here.
Correct. I'm in Westchester County. I'm in New York.
Oh, you're in New York. Okay.
Let me speak to him right now. No. Dad!
Okay,
Dad!
no problem.
Dad, please come tomorrow! Don't trust. Dad, please! I don't think they believe my story. Please come here. Please, Dad! Dad, they don't believe my story. Please
Okay,
come
we're
here.
gonna head down to the hospital,
Dad,
okay?
I'm gonna be dead! What are you? Dad! Dad, please come!
He's on the way.
Here, handcuff me. The windows are closed.
Okay.
Alright, baby. Bye.
All right, bye-bye. All right, he's gonna go down to the hospital.
Is he able to shed any light on this?
She is bipolar. She's supposed to be on medication. He doesn't know if she's on it or not. He thought she was on the medication. She apparently has a record with Englewood Hospital for mental health episodes. So he seemed to understand when I said we're going to go down to the hospital.
So you feel like she's definitely giving you enough for you to...
Oh, yeah, she was running all throughout this parking lot in front of cars and,
Okay.
yeah, completely uncooperative. So I called 262 to do the screening, but
Literally, he was on the phone with her.
as soon as they answered, she went berserk. So, yeah, she was a hazard running through the road.
Okay.
And, all right.
You guys have pedigree and everything?
Yeah, I have
Are you
it.
going to take a ride with her?
I'll take her out. We'll
Follow
do
behind?
is we got to follow. I'll probably go with you, given how irate she is. But
Yeah.
we'll drive at
and
headquarters.
drop
And
the
I'll
call?
park the
Okay.
car out there.
All right. See how this goes. All
All
right,
right,
Mary,
Mary,
come on out.
you're gonna walk in here like a lady. We don't want to have to drag you. You're gonna walk in like a lady.
You did not treat me properly earlier.
Okay. I have this paper. I wrote my name and Officer Mullen's name on it. Okay. I'm gonna put it in your left pocket here. Okay?
No, you did not. That is being recorded on body cam?
Yes.
And you're placing that in my pocket?
Yes.
Why is that?
Because it's yours. You wanted it.
Who said that?
Okay.
No.
All right. Fine. I'll take it. No.